Heuchera Carnival Watermelon, a striking foliage plant for shade gardens. Hi, Ferb here. I'm a gardener with a passion for unique and low-maintenance plants. Today, I want to delve into the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon, a perennial that adds a burst of color to any shady corner. This Heuchera variety boasts stunning foliage that lives up to its name. Think vibrant shades of watermelon, a captivating blend of pink, green, and bronze with silvery veins. The color intensity can vary depending on the amount of sunlight it receives, with more sun bringing out the pink tones. But the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon offers more than just good looks. It's a low-fuss plant that thrives in neglectful gardeners like myself. Let's explore some frequently asked questions about this gem. Where do I plant my Heuchera Carnival Watermelon? This beauty prefers shade or part shade. Direct afternoon sun can scorch the leaves, so choose a location that gets morning sun or dappled light throughout the day. What kind of soil does it need? The Heuchera Carnival Watermelon isn't picky about soil type as long as it drains well. Amend your existing soil with compost or add some sand if it's heavy clay. How often should I water it? Water moderately, aiming for the soil to be consistently moist but not soggy. During hot spells, you might need to water more frequently. A good rule of thumb is to stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Does it need fertilizer? A light application of balanced fertilizer in spring is sufficient. However, this Heuchera is quite happy with average soil fertility, so don't feel pressured to fertilize regularly. How big does the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon get? It forms a compact mound, typically reaching 12 to 18 inches tall and spreading 18 to 24 inches wide. Does it spread? Yes, it spreads slowly by underground runners, forming a nice clump over time. You can divide it in spring if it gets too large for its designated spot. Does it flower? The Heuchera Carnival Watermelon produces delicate white flowers on airy stalks in early spring. While the flowers are dainty and add a touch of elegance, the true star of the show is the foliage. Is it winter hardy? Yes. This Heuchera thrives in USDA hardiness zones 4 to 9, meaning it can withstand temperatures down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit, -34 degrees Celsius. However, in colder zones, applying a layer of mulch around the base of the plant in fall provides additional winter protection. Is the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon deer resistant? Absolutely. Deer tend to avoid Heuchera varieties, making them a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing herbivores. Does it attract butterflies or hummingbirds? The white flowers might attract a few pollinators, but the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon isn't known to be a major pollinator magnet. However, its vibrant foliage adds visual interest to your garden, attracting beneficial insects that prey on garden pests. How does the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon differ from other Heuchera varieties? The color palette of the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon is truly unique. While many Heuchera varieties boast vibrant foliage in shades of purple, red, or chartreuse, the combination of pink, green, and bronze with silvery veins sets this one apart. Are there any similar Heuchera varieties? If you love the watermelon theme but prefer a more pronounced pink hue, consider the Heuchera Watermelon. It offers similar foliage with prominent pink tones, but lacks the green and bronze accents of the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon. Can I plant the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon with other shade-loving plants? Absolutely. It pairs beautifully with ferns, hostas, Haconecloa grass, and other shade-tolerant perennials that offer contrasting textures and foliage colors. With its captivating foliage, low-maintenance nature, and deer resistance, the Heuchera Carnival Watermelon is a sure winner for any shade garden. So, if you're looking for a plant that adds a pop of color and effortless beauty, give this Heuchera a try.